Hey everybody, it's your girl Xenonix and welcome back to Heaven for Health, your channel for all things natural wellness. Today we're diving deep into the world of a powerful, ancient remedy licorice root. Imagine this, a warm cup of licorice root tea, its earthy aroma filling your kitchen. Beyond its soothing scent, licorice root is a powerhouse of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to calming digestive issues and giving your skin a healthy glow. Stick around as we unlock the incredible power of licorice root and discover how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Alright, let's talk about digestion. We've all been there, that uncomfortable feeling after a big meal, or those times when heartburn seems to rear its ugly head. Well, guess what? Licorice root is here to save the day. It contains a compound called glycyrrhizin, a potent anti-inflammatory. This means it can help calm down inflammation in your gut, which is a major culprit behind digestive issues like acid reflux, ulcers, and indigestion. Think of licorice root as a soothing balm for your stomach lining. It helps to protect those delicate tissues from damage caused by excess stomach acid. And for those dealing with ulcers, licorice root can actually speed up the healing process. After a meal, especially a spicy one, brew yourself a cup of this soothing elixir. Not only does it taste amazing, but it'll help your stomach settle and promote healthy digestion. If tea isn't your thing, no worries. Licorice root also comes in supplement form. Just make sure you chat with your doctor before adding any new supplements to your routine. Let's talk about immunity, because in today's world having a strong defense system is more important than ever. That's where licorice root comes in, my friends. This incredible herb is jam-packed with antiviral and antimicrobial properties, making it a natural warrior against infections. It's like having a secret weapon in your back pocket, ready to fight off those unwanted invaders. For centuries, traditional medicine systems have turned to licorice root to strengthen the immune system. Its powerful compounds work by increasing the production of lymphocytes, the soldiers of your immune system. So whether you're feeling a little run down or just want to give your immune system an extra boost, licorice root is here to support you. And the best part? It's gentle and natural, working in harmony with your body's own defenses. Sipping on licorice root tea is a delicious and easy way to reap its benefits. You can also find it in supplement form, but, as always, check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Stay tuned, because we've got even more incredible benefits of licorice root to uncover. Dealing with coughs, colds, and sore throats is the worst. But before you reach for those over-the-counter remedies, did you know that Mother Nature has a secret weapon? That's right, licorice root to the rescue. It acts as a natural expectorant, helping to thin out and expel mucus from your respiratory system. So, if you're feeling congested or dealing with a stubborn cough, licorice root can help you breathe a little easier. Licorice root also boasts potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to soothe irritated airways and reduce swelling. This is especially helpful if you're dealing with a sore throat or bronchitis. One of my favorite ways is by sipping on a warm cup of licorice root tea. You can also find licorice root in lozenge form, which can be super helpful for soothing a scratchy throat. Just remember, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before adding any new supplements to your routine. Let's face it, life can be stressful. From juggling work deadlines to managing family life, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and burnt out. But before you reach for that extra cup of coffee or sugary snack, did you know that nature has a secret weapon for combating stress? You guessed it, licorice root. This incredible herb is like a gentle hug for your adrenal glands, which are responsible for producing stress hormones like cortisol. When we're constantly stressed, our adrenal glands can get overworked, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and even weight gain. Licorice root steps in to help balance cortisol levels, bringing them back into a healthy range. This means you'll feel calmer, more centered, and better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. Sipping on licorice root tea is a delicious and relaxing way to reap its benefits. You can also find licorice root in supplement form, but as always, it's important to chat with your doctor before starting any new supplements. Okay, let's talk about skincare, because who doesn't love a healthy, radiant glow? But before you splurge on expensive creams and serums, did you know that nature has a secret weapon for achieving that coveted glow? You guessed it, licorice root. This incredible herb is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a dream come true for your skin. It's like a soothing balm that helps to calm irritation, reduce redness, and even fade those pesky dark spots. Licorice root works its magic by inhibiting the production of melanin, which is the pigment that gives our skin its color. By reducing melanin production, licorice root can help to even out skin tone and diminish the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Licorice root is also a natural humectant, which means it helps to draw moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. When choosing licorice root skincare products, look for those that are formulated with natural and organic ingredients, and be sure to do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying it to your entire face. So there you have it, friends. Licorice root, a true gift from nature, packed with incredible health benefits. From soothing your digestion and boosting your immunity to supporting your respiratory system, calming stress, and even giving your skin a healthy glow, this ancient herb is a true testament to the power of natural remedies. If you loved this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Heaven for Health for more natural health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep shining your light.